Welcome to First and Second Hour Science. Today is April 23rd, 2020, Thursday. I'd like to remind everyone to put your names on all of your assignments so when we turn them in, we will know whose is whose. We will have a lot of work that is turned in on the same day. I hope you all had a chance to watch your Earth Day video. We will have a packet of assignments that go with that video that we will complete the first week of May. There's a lot of exciting activities in it. I think you'll enjoy having it. I do have a correction to make to the video that I made for Earth Day. On there I said that the average American family has approximately 5,000 pounds of trash per week. That should have been 5,000 pounds per year. Big difference. Okay, so today's assignment is starting a whole new lesson. We are done with plants. We are now into 11.1, the human body. We will not do the whole unit on the human body. I'd like for us to focus on the 5 organs that are vital for survival. Those are the heart, which is located in the chest. Its function is to keep blood flowing. The brain, the kidneys, the liver, and the lungs. So I'm hoping that those are the ones we get to cover. So our questions for review today on our assignment of the human body. What are the 4 level? Number 1, what are the 4 levels of organization in an organism? I was able to find that answer in my summary. So if you look at your summary, the first one, that's where you're going to find your answer. The levels of organization in the human body include cells, tissues, organs, and organ systems. So question number 2 is list the 4 types of tissues that make up the human body. And number 2, I believe the answer begins at the top of page 2, where it states that cells are grouped together to carry out specific functions. A group of cells that work together form a tissue. Your body has 4 main types of tissues, as do the bodies of other animals. These tissues make up the structures and contents of your body. There are pictures there that you can refer to see what they look like. So the 4 types of tissue that make up the 4 types of tissue that make up the human body. They begin at the bottom of page 2. The epithelial tissue is made up of layers of tightly packed cells that line the surfaces of the body. Examples of epithelial tissue include the skin, the lining of the mouth and nose, and the lining of the digestive system. The second one is connective tissue, which is made up of many different types of cells that are all involved in supporting and binding other tissues of the body. Examples there include tendon, cartilage, and bone. Blood is also classified as a specialized connective tissue. The third one is muscle tissue, and it is made up of bands of cells that contract and allow movement. The fourth one is nervous tissue, and it is made up of nerve cells that sense stimuli and transmit signals. Nervous tissue is found in nerves, the spinal cord, and the brain. Describe epithelial tissue. Bottom of page 2, epithelial tissue is made up of layers of tightly packed cells that line the surfaces of the body. Examples include the skin, the lining of the mouth and the nose, and the lining of the digestive system. Number 4, give 2 examples of connective tissue. there is a little section down here, page 2, at the bottom of page 2 also, that says connective tissue is made up of many different types of cells that are involved in supporting and binding other tissues of the body. Examples include the tendon, the cartilage, and the bone. I think you were to list 2 of them. Give 2 examples of connective tissue. There you go. Number 5, what is the role of the nervous system? So to find the answer for the nervous system, I went to the chart where systems work together, and I looked up nervous, and I found here that it is the major tissues and organs that the nervous system is responsible for is your brain, spinal cord, and nerves. And so what does the nervous system do? What does it do? It collects, transfers, and processes information. What is the role of the number 6 is what is the role of the cardiovascular system? So together, your heart, blood, and blood vessels form your cardiovascular system. Those work together. Those are tissues that work together for the heart. So that concludes our lesson for today, 11.1. On Monday, we'll start 11.2. We might take an extra day to go over both of these sections. We do have some extra days at the end. And so we may go a little deeper into what we will be studying along with this unit. So that concludes our lesson. Have a great day. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy the sunshine. Good time to catch up on any videos you haven't watched, on any homework you're behind. Time is creeping up on us. We have the 30th, which we need to turn everything in. You will be picking up your new packets, and school will be out in May. Have a great day. Bye.